Hi everyone, this is Jaima from Mastery Math Lab, and in this video you're going to learn how to simplify rational expressions with negative powers. So let's go ahead and review what negative exponents mean. So in the previous video I give you an example of x to the third over x to the fifth. And when you divide the same bases, you subtract the exponents, and that gives you x to the negative second power. But remember that we can't have negative powers, so what we're going to do is, since every number or variable is over 1, we're going to flip it, and my exponent becomes positive. Same idea, if I have 1 over y to the negative second, we're going to flip, and I get y to the second over 1, which is just y to the second. So let's go ahead and apply these rules to simplify our rational expression. Okay, so the expression in our problem is, a rational expression is m to the fifth over 3 times n to the negative 7, and the whole thing is raised to negative 2. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the inside. If you notice, the n to the negative 7 is on the bottom. We're going to talk about flipping. So I'm going to bring n to the positive 7 power on the top, and I'm left with 3. And the whole thing is raised to the negative 2 power. Again, the whole fraction is raised to the negative 2 power, so I'm going to flip the fraction. Right? And then now, since I flipped it, it's going to be raised to the positive 2. So go ahead and raise your numerator to the second power and your denominator to the second power. So on the top, I'm going to get 9 because 3 squared is 9. On the bottom, remember, I'm going to square each variable individually. So I have m to the fifth raised to the second, and I have n to the seventh raised to the second. So on the top you still have 9. To simplify the bottom, you have m to the fifth raised to the second power. When you raise an exponential expression to the second power, you multiply the exponent. So you have m to the 10. And the same thing for the n. It's an exponential expression raised to a power. So n to the 7th raised to the second, that is 7 times 2, which is 14. And so you have simplified your rational expression. Hopefully this helps. If you have any more questions, please come into the Mastery Math Lab for additional help. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.